Hello, everyone. This is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit. Hope everyone's doing well today. Today, we're going to break down some of the credit score categories. And the first one is going to be bad credit. So, what does it mean to have a bad credit score? And what can you do to improve that score? So a bad credit score is anything that's considered to be 579 all the way down to 300. Okay. For those who don't know, of course, the lowest you can get is a 300. Typically, to get under 400 or really under five is simply just not caring about paying anybody, right? That means that over 80% of the accounts that are on your credit report, previous and recent, and some may even be current, are usually just negative accounts. Accounts that have had nothing but late payments, derogatory accounts, just nothing positive usually in the last 6 to 9 months. Okay. That will most definitely have your scores anywhere between 300 to 579. To build out of this, there's a lot of different ways that you can kind of do it. Of course, the easier way would be to see what you already have and just see, what we need to do to kind of fix those. A lot of times people will say, okay, I'm going to go ahead and spend $200 on a secured credit card when they currently owe $125 to a company. And it's like, just pay that company, and stay in good standing versus starting a new relationship, right? If banks understand that things happen, you're not the only one that owes them, okay? They're used to this. They understand the risk. So it's nothing personal. They don't take it personal. They don't expect for you to take it personal. However, it's up to you to put things in place to get out of that situation. And if you tried different things, you've worked with different companies, and you're just trying to figure out how to get out of that situation faster, we most definitely can help you. We have great ratings on Google, and we would be more than happy to just take a look at your credit report, in which we can most definitely do that. Okay. So either way, if you like this video, like it. If you want to share it, share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe, as we got nothing but great content well on the way. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys on the next video.